back to my channel, guys. This is your girl Trenda Laura. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. So today I'm going to be talking or telling you just giving you a simple recipe on how to get a chocolate skin. For those that want to lighten, you have to go gradually. You don't have to just go at once. That's when you start having skin problem. This is my base. I just made the base. I'm putting it in the water to cool. You can see that it's already getting thick, meaning it's already cooling down. So is the hot chocolate base is just like your normal base, but I'm going to be adding cocoa powder to it. Let me put my cocoa powder and add. So I'm going to stir this up. I'll be leaving the benefits of cocoa powder for you guys in the description box. Let me mix this thing before it gets lumped, and I'll come back to you guys. So I added more cocoa powder to it. Don't worry if it have lumps, you can always blend it. There's no light, that's why I'm just doing. When there's light, I'm going to blend the lotion. So let me keep on stirring, and I want to thank you guys for all the love, your sweet comments. May God bless you all. To the old and new subscribers, thank you so much. Let me start. So I'm going to add my propylene glycol. I told you guys that propylene glycol is needed in any lotion you're making, because this is what helps. Oh guys, yeah, this is what helps the lotion penetrates in your skin. So make sure you always have propylene glycol. I'm going to be taking out from, when this thing is cool, completely cool, I'm going to be taking out from it to do the lotion I want to do. So for those that want to know how to make base cream, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box. The only difference is in this one is I added cocoa powder. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box. So let me leave this to properly cool down, and then I'll come back to you guys. Guys, I don't know if you can see here, but this is almost 600 ml. So this is oil I've mixed. This is a mix of glutathione, carrot oil, and then I'll be adding rosehip oil. Remember I told you guys rosehip oil is anti-aging. Let me just add very little. Okay. So I'll be adding drops, 4 drops of my lavender essential oil. So I'm going to mix this together. So creamy. Hey guys, if some of them do not enter, please forgive me. My phone storage is full. I've been uninstalling things. Let me mix this and I'll come back. Tea tree oil. Okay, and then help me with it. I'll be adding orange oil. It's okay. Smells so nice. So I'm going to stir this up, and then I'll add my final ingredients. adding one magic derma. I was supposed to add 2 because of the quantity, but I checked or I searched everywhere today for this magic derma and miracle them, and I couldn't find, so I'm just using this one. I'm going to pour everything in. So guys, like I was saying, for those that want to begin their lightening journey, if you are dark skinned, you have to, start from somewhere. You don't have to just be white all of a sudden. So you start with this hot chocolate, and then you see it's so creamy, and then you move down to lightening, and then whitening. Just progress like that. Then you will have really great skin. You can't just be dark and then move to being light at once. You start having sunburn, knuckles, and all that. So when you do it gradually, it's safer and it's better for you. So the final ingredient I'm going to be adding is my pigment dough. Guys, I added the glutathione oil. So I'm going to be adding pigment dough. If you also have grapeseed oil is very, very nice, but I couldn't get to buy. So I'm going to be adding my pigment dough, 1 pigment dough in this lotion. I love pigment dough so much. So I'm going to mix this. It smells amazing. So this is it. This is going to glow your skin. It's going to lighten you a bit, like it's hot chocolate. Of course, you're going to have that chocolatey glowing skin. So I'm going to blend this when there's light. You see this cocoa powder, everything has to blend in. So I'll leave it and blend when they bring the light, or when we turn on the gen. It's Nigeria now. Anyway guys, here it is. This is going to it feels so moisturizing, and it's going to glow your skin as well. So if you're in that stage of like getting a lighter skin, or maintaining your chocolate skin, or your dark skin, you just want to like brighten up a bit, this is for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.